these guys turn up. You're just hanging out with me? Today I'm gonna do something really fun, I think. Just gonna pour away this wax. Let's see. Here we have some, it's like asphalt, but you need to warm it up, so it's like asphalt you make. So I'll just remove some of this plastic and see, but yeah, whatever, asphalt is made of plastic, I think, so away it goes. So I'm just gonna put it in there and hopefully now it's just the wax burning, but we will see how this reacts. Remove it from the bushes. Okay, that will have to cook for a while. We see if we get some asphalt, which I will blend with some gravel and the plan is to put the freshly made asphalt down in those small cracks here, and I've never done this before. I just got this big lump of asphalt from my friend. So yeah, I'll just have to try it out and see how it goes. Oh yeah, it's starting to melt in the pot. I can see some black molten stuff. Hopefully it doesn't shoot up like lava. But I got my shorts on, so yeah, hoping for the best. Okay, I need to remove a lump of this big thing, so just try to throw it on this and hopefully it gets loose. Here's another lovely lump. Look at this black gold. It smells very good, like all toxic stuff. This will have to cook for a while, and whilst we wait, I will skate over on the manual pad. Yeah, there we got our boiling pot, and here we have the manual pad. There we go. Okay, we'll have a look. Have a look at the boiling pot. See how it goes. nearly everything is melted and it's bubbling. Ooh. Yeah, it smells like one of those days on the road where the workers are out and doing their thing. Yeah. Today I'm the hard-working man, even though I'm a teacher on regular days. Let's see if I can do one more manual before we're ready. I wonder what that will be. Okay. I think everything has melted over here, and now I'll just add the rocks to this soup. So, as you can see, here is the molten thing, and here I have some rocks. So I'll just for my safety I will use a shovel of some kind instead. Okay. Okay. I've got some kind of stew here, and I will just turn off the gas and then carry this over to the hole. Yeah, we're gonna put it down those holes. There's some loose rocks, but it's a bit smoother. It hasn't dried yet fully, or cooled down, I should say. But yeah, the cracks are filled, so hopefully you can skate over this. And to go in the cracks, I use this diamond tool. Like, it has diamond coating on this, and it can grind down the asphalt like here. To smoothen the asphalt, I have this diamond tool for the angle grinder, and this just makes everything smooth. I use this on asphalt and concrete and everything. On these smaller cracks in the asphalt, I found it best to use like the bitumen or like the raw oil for asphalt. Just cook it and then pour it, and it becomes quite smooth and go down the small cracks.